Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. This is my second of 2 super speed unboxing and first impression videos. This is for the NMK WK16 DIY kit for beginners. Enjoy the video, pick up a set and we'll build it together after Christmas. Cheers. So I usually go for blue dials, but I thought I'd switch it up and go for a silver one this time. This is the silver waffle style sunburst dial. I'm going to zoom in and just show you a little bit of the beauty. It's really a stunning piece. Date window, feet for 3 and 4 o'clock positions on an NH movement. Stunning, really beautiful. Pairing that with a very simple set of silver Nautilus hands. Simple but effective. What's watch modding if you can't mod? 80103 blue wave pattern dial. I bought this for an alternative build. Have a look at this. Isn't it incredible? Can't wait to see it in the case. The NMK 945PL. This is the case. It's a complete set with crystal, crown and case back. Very sharp edges. Very plain case back but slimline. Brushed all round except for the bezel and a chamfered edge. And it just is beautiful. A piece of jewelry, really. Very narrow lugs for the integrated bracelet. Nice and slender. Plain crown. Exquisite brushing. I'm excited about this case. Really going to look good. Now for the strap. Now I was surprised at the engineering on this. It is stunning. Flat lugs, brushed, tight fitting. It was so good I decided to move into emo music and slow-mo for a moment. Forgive that indulgence. We've got some quick release end links for the integrated strap. Got a butterfly clasp, beautifully done, but there are no half links on this bracelet, and for some of you that will be a game changer. But all in all, a machine piece of pure jewelry. And now we have the case and integrated bracelet together, and I just can't help myself. This is such a cool toy. So beautiful. Dimension wise, we've got a width of 36mm, bezel 33mm, thickness 11.2, lug to lug of 42.9, true lug of 54 with the integrated bracelet. Great proportions. So you can click on the affiliate link below to order your NMK WK16. Use the code WMBI10 for 10% off before the end of December. Take a bit of time to subscribe, give us a like, and thank you so much for all of your support. Merry Christmas to you and your family.